Hi everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess, checking out some chess videos. If you like what you see, if you could subscribe or like, that'd be awesome. If not, that's cool for sure, Alright, so this is the end game, it looks like. And these are definitely helping me to improve my chess game. I've said in a couple of videos. So if you want to check out some of the other videos, and maybe even a game that I've played, and I'm gonna play a couple tournaments, so it helps me with tournaments. Alright, so and another cool thing, I've said in a couple of videos that these chess games, these puzzles are from games, which is cool, and it shows the mistakes that they made, and this is one of the possible mistakes or blunders that they might have made. And here we go. Alright, so I'm looking at my knight here, give him a check, I can take here, but obviously the main thing here is he's with his bishop looking at taking my rook right there on c6. So I need to figure out how to, if I move here, if I move this rook on e8, my rook on e7 is done with check. So let's see my options. What do I want to go with? Alright, I think I've figured it out. If you want to pause the video, here we go. Knight to g4, then take his rook. Oh, took my bishop. With his bishop, he took my rook, and just take it back. So that's move order up the exchange there. Again, so that's important in the game. I've got a rook and a knight. All right, let's try another one. This is about the middle game. A lot going on. Obviously, I want to just take that. It looks like a free pawn, but there's got to be a better move than that. To take here. My queen, lots of options. Bishop, lots of options. Knight, a couple of options. So what category does this go into? That's what I like to look at first. Is it a fork or a up the exchange or a check? Doesn't look like I can get them into check anyway. Then sometimes you just gotta go for it, like I've said before too. Just go up here. Is that bishop out of spots? No. Is that queen out of spots? No. Oh, there's a fork here though. Is that it? No, because then you could just take with the queen. Over here, the rook, or the bishop, that's not anything because I'd be losing it to the pawn there on f4. Right, sometimes you just gotta go for it. Usually like to wait about a minute and then try to figure out the best move. Sometimes I'm right, sometimes I'm not. So I'm leaning towards the knight here, or this bishop, or pawn push. You would just go back. I'm really leaning towards this knight. Is there anything with that queen? Queen can't do anything. And it just looks like this is the best move though too. But what would that be doing? Just winning a pawn? And then you always go boom, and then the queen. Oh, okay. The queen has to get off of theirs. Well, it goes up one. If it just goes up. Well, let's try it. Alright. Well, if you want to pause the video here. Oh, okay, yeah, it was going to go up one. Then, taking the pawn up here. Then he takes with his pawn, then I take with my pawn. Want to win that bishop, man. Give me that bishop. Yes. Yes. Runaway queen. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, everybody. See? You got to get some theory. Oh, look at... Oh, I was like, he can just take my bishop. Nope. It's protected by my queen there. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If not, that's cool. like, subscribe. Have a good day, good night, good evening, and think it through. Think it through.